Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming to you with another simple, easy hair back to school hair tutorial. You don't have time in the morning, right? So with this you're good to go. No too much effort hairstyle. I think I need 30 minutes. If you're interested, you want to see how I put this low pon hairstyle together, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy, guys. So basically I'm starting up with my hair dried out. My hair is super dry because I just removed the cornrows after 3 days. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be parting my hair at the front. I'm going to section out a little bit of hair at the front so that I can make the 2 cornrows, but I'm going to do this later on. But firstly I just had to section the back of the way so that we can have definition. Guys, I'm so sorry that my camera, like, trust me, it wasn't really on focus. I'm sorry about that. Okay, don't come for me. Thank you. Anyway guys, as you can see me doing, I'm just going to basically parting my hair so that we can have a very straight line. I'm going to be taking my hair clips, just going to get those distraction hair out of the way. Okay, I'm taking this edge contour, just a very tiny bit. I'm going to be kneading. The world is over when you say you feel alone. So I'm going to be taking my favorite dense brush. I'm just going to brush it out a little bit, you know. So before I put that into a little pond at the back, we are not done yet. We just want to get that out of the way so that we can have a lot of space to do a cornrow at the front. So I'm just going to be parting my hair into 2 sections because I'm going to be braiding right now, like I said. So yeah, I'm still going to take some edge control just to slick everything in place, put everything in place so we don't have any kind of raunchiness. Okay, so I'm just going to put one side out of the way. I'm going to be needing a braiding extension hair. I'm going to be taking 3 times tiny section. So yeah, I'm just going to start to cornrow after I braid 3 times or 4 times before I start to add my braiding extension adding to my hair. The reason being, I don't want my edges to pull off, so I always start 3 times cornrow before I add the braiding extension. Okay, enjoy guys. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to. So guys, I'm done with the 2 cornrows at the front. I'm just going to, wrap it around so we can move to the next section. So I'm just going to be taking the Eco Styling Professional styling gel, just a very tiny bit. I'm not applying too much gel. I just want to slick it back because I'm going to be washing my hair after this tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to take a very tiny bit of gel, and I'm just going to apply it and at the back as well. And then later I'm going to take my brush. I'm just going to brush it backward, try to slick back. So after that, I'm just going to grab the two cornrows. I'm grabbing it together with my rest hair at the back. I'm just going to put everything into pon, and then after that I'm just going to braid everything together. And then afterwards I'm just going to be taking a rubber band, or the leftover, not a rubber band, the leftover from the braid extension. I'm just going to use it to secure the pon at the back area. We are done. I'm going to be taking the 2 or 3 hair wrap. I'm just going to wrap my hair, but before that I'm still going to go ahead and use my hand with a tiny bit of gel just to slick it backward, because my front edges is kind of, you know, not being too late. So right now I'm just going to be taking the hair wrap. I'm just going to wrap it. I'm going to be needing 3 hair wrap because I want it to be slick, because I'm doing everything the same day. Sometimes I do let it overnight, but since I'm going out, so I decided just to wrap it so that with the heat is going to make it dry fastly. It wasn't 100% dry, but at least it was laid. Okay, don't get life twisted, honey. Yeah, thank you. Don't get life twisted. Okay, so I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to be right back. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to remove the scarf, as you can see me doing. My face is super snatch beat, honey. So yeah, here we go. All right, we are just going to go ahead now. I'm loving this look. I'm loving this hairstyle. I'm going to be taking this afro coily hair. I'm just going to remove it from the pack, and I'm just going to kind of lose it very gently so we don't get any tangling. All right, so yeah, and the weft is super long, so I'm going to be applying it on the pon. So I'm going to be taking a bobby pin to secure the first track so that I can use it to wrap my pon around. So basically guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm wrapping it around, and at the same time I'm using my hand to lose the webs. Okay, because when you just wrap it around like that, it's going to get tangling and it's not going to give you that extra volume, if that makes sense. So when I wrap it, I use my hand to open it. When I wrap it, I use my hand to open it. Okay, so I'm going to be needing extra 2 bobby pins to pin the ends down properly. So yeah, if you want, you can leave it like that, but no, we are not done. I'm going to be taking a bottle of water without anything, not even condition, nothing, just a cold bottle of water. I'm just going to go ahead and spray it all over the hair. I'm just going to be spraying it, and then later I'm going to be using my hand to detangle the hair because it was a little bit tangling attached to it. As you can see, it was just too thick, so I really want that wet look. So I'm just going to basically use my hand to detangle it, as you can see me do. Like I said, if you want, you can leave it like that, but no, I just want to have that extra wet put together look. So right now I'm just going to lay my edges properly, make it neat, not too drama when it comes to my edges, because someone came to steal my edges 2 months ago, so I don't know what happened on me. Okay, so I just had to protect my edges, honey. My edges is everything. Okay, someone came to steal it like without no pain. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it once again for 10 minutes so that my edges can be flat. We are back. Our edges is super laid. So I'm going to be taking these accessories that I got from Amazon, and we have gold, we have silver. I wanted to put the I wanted to put it on the cornrow, but it was too much, so I decided to attach it to the hair, which is the golden color. I decided to attach it to the hair. I was needing 6 accessories for this hair, so yeah, and I'm loving how it turned out to. I'm loving this look, guys. I'm loving this look, especially when it comes to the earrings, honey. I got it from Zara. I'm loving this look. Super simple back to school makeup. If you watch this video to the end and it was inspiring, it was helpful, okay, let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends, with your mom, with your family, okay? Come support us, sis. And if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel, because I notice a lot of you guys don't on your notification. You don't know when I upload, so that is why sometimes you do miss my video. But you just have to hit the bell, honey. Don't be greedy, hit the bell. It takes not even 1 second, okay? Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care, ciao. Mwah. When you say you feel alone.